beautypreneur. Today I'm walking you through how to set up your product development digital planner. If you've already purchased your planner, perfect. If not, you can grab it using the link in the description below. Now, once you've downloaded your planner, you're going to see a PDF file saved to your device. Then you're going to open the Good Notes app, tap the New button in the top right corner, and then choose Import. Select your product development planner PDF, and now we're ready to go. GoodNotes will instantly load your planner as a fully editable and fully hyperlinked digital planner. No extra setup, everything is already designed for you. Now with this page, you're going to fill out who the planner belongs to and also your business name. Now welcome to the Cosmetic Concept. You are now part of a growing community of cosmetic business owners looking to stay connected with like-minded individuals. Now with this next page, this is just a quick tutorial on how to use your digital planner. Every page from here on out will be hyperlinked with branding, marketing, R&D, and manufacturing tabs, along with hyperlinked monthly tabs on the side. You can also learn more about the cosmetic concept, read up on digital planning frequently asked questions, and make sure you visit Cindy J Cosmetic Labs for formulation development. Now let's walk through the Cosmetic Concept Planner and how to actually use it to plan your year with intention. Right here you'll see our story, which explains the purpose behind the cosmetic concept, our 4 workbooks: branding, marketing, R&D, manufacturing, a time to plan page, monthly calendar, weekly calendar, and also a recap section. Next, we have the 2026 holidays page, so you can plan launches, content, promotions, and rest days in advance. And then right after that is the full 2026 calendar, giving you a bird's eye view of the entire year. The next page breaks down the cosmetic concept framework so you understand how everything connects from idea to execution. And then you're going to define your business name, your strengths and challenges, personal goals, health goals, and even business goals. This helps ground your planning in who you are and where you want to go. Now up at the top, you'll see hyperlinks that allow you to jump directly into each workbook. Let me click through each one so you can see how easy it is to navigate. At the end of the manufacturing workbook, you'll find a checklist to help you track your progress. You can also access this checklist anytime using the third icon at the bottom left corner. On the side of the digital planner, you'll notice the monthly tabs from January to December, plus an extra tab if you need an additional month for overflow planning or extended projects. Each month will take you to the time to plan page for your monthly breakdown. Now, before entering each month, you'll again see the time to plan page. This is where you map out important tasks, brain dumps, to-do lists, contacts, and even business check-ins. So think of this as your strategy checkpoint before stepping into the month. Next is the monthly calendar. Now, each month includes a motivational quote at the top, space to write your 4 workbook goals, and then open calendar days so you can plan freely. This gives you structure but still allows flexibility. After the monthly calendar, you'll see your weekly layouts complete with a notes section. This is where your daily execution happens. So you'll write down meetings or content, formulation work, launches, and even personal commitments. You can also easily move between months using the tabs And each month includes a different motivational blurb to keep you inspired throughout the year. Now remember, each month contains a time to plan page, a monthly calendar, and a weekly calendar. At the end, there's an extra calendar page for overflow planning, special projects, and even extended timelines. Finally, we wrap up with a year end recap. Here's what you'll reflect on: your biggest highlights, challenges you faced, lessons you've learned, and goals for the next year. There's also space for notes so you can document your growth and carry that wisdom forward. You can also access your recap page by clicking on the second icon on the bottom left corner. This planner isn't just about staying organized, it's about building your beauty business with clarity, intention, and confidence.